All right, now taking a look at what's happening in the world of business, where Kenya will be rallying other African countries to push for decarbonization and equitable funds. Now, Shipping and Maritime Principal Secretary Shadrack Mwadime says this will go a long way in supporting the use of green fuels in the maritime value chain. African maritime authorities have pledged to back Kenya's Nancy Karigithu for the Secretary General position at the International Maritime Organization.
Shipping accounts for about 3% of carbon emissions. However, for developing countries, decarbonization requires financing.
But setting an ambitious greenhouse gas reduction target in the revised IMO greenhouse gas strategy during MEPC 80 will send a very strong signal to the market, to investors, that the maritime industry is ready to decarbonize, and that signal will direct investments, financial support and new jobs to Africa.
They believe partnerships, information sharing, building trust among International Maritime Organization member states are key in matters decarbonization, diversity and inclusion.
The discussions, I believe, will better help African countries to prepare for the upcoming Marine Environment Protection Committee meeting at IMO in July, and for African countries to have a common approach on how we want the international maritime community to address greenhouse gas emissions.
The African maritime players have pledged to support Blue Economy Special Envoy, Ambassador Nancy Karigithu, for election to be the Secretary General of the International Maritime Organization.
We're coming as a clean pair of hands. We do not have any vested interests.
Nancy says if elected, she will champion identification of opportunities to sustainably grow the industry.
We're looking at making sure that there is more sharing of information, awareness, building trusts, partnerships, collaboration, so that we can walk the journey together.
Africa will be speaking in unison in July in UK, London, during the IMO conference, and the conversation will be around ensuring fair, just and equitable distribution of IMO carbon funds to facilitate decarbonization of shipping and the maritime sector. I'm Regina Manyara reporting for Easy Friday from Shanzu, Mombasa County.